Did you know that women are 4 times more likely than men to state that recent sex was unpleasurable? In fact, studies have shown that men are twice as likely to have an orgasm during sex than their partners. We call this the pleasure gap, and we're out to fix it. EVA is the first hands-free, strap-free, non-intrusive clitoral vibrator which a woman can wear during sex. EVA's unique design features dynamic wings which tuck under the labia, allowing the vibrator to stay on top of the clitoris without getting in the way of penetration. Research shows the 2 most important contributors to women's pleasure and climax are physical contact, like kissing and touching, and clitoral stimulation. 70% of women need clitoral stimulation to orgasm, but most vibrators are distracting or create a barrier during sex between the partners. Because EVA is small, hands-free, and completely external, it allows you and your partner to keep the focus on each other.
The problem with holding a vibrator during sex is that it can really get in the way and detract from the experience.
This was just not obtrusive at all. It was like, as far as he could tell, there was nothing, there was nothing in his way.
I definitely notice when she's enjoying herself more, and I get a lot of pleasure out of that.
I didn't have to think about holding it down. I could focus on my partner and doing stuff with my partner while also having that sensation.
At Dame Products, our mission is to create phenomenal sex toys. The study of sex has been Alex's lifelong passion, and I'm an established mechanical engineer who decided if I want better sex toys, I guess I better make them myself. With our powers combined, we think we have a unique opportunity to bring you original sex toys that fit the real needs of women and the people they have sex with.
QuadLock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. It provides easy access to your smartphone and is perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. The QuadLock bike kit is supplied with everything needed to mount your smartphone on your bike stem or handlebars. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. QuadLock is perfect for tracking your fitness, navigating your ride, and taking quick photos on the go. The QuadLock mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over even the roughest terrain. QuadLock makes for a great everyday case. With its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The QuadLock case will keep your smartphone safe thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection.
the past 30 years, technology of scanner has changed small. It is still slow and hard to use. Imagine one true smart scanner, which is fast, connected to Wi-Fi, and easy operated. What's more, it can scan books.
This is CZUR.
We redesigned the structure of scanner. We hope that our product can help more people work easier, and that's the most important reason to motivate us every day.
Scanning speed is so important for everyone. To make this reality, a lot of new technologies have been used on CZUR for the first time.
We creatively use 32-bit MIPS CPU for our scanner through the strong image processing and computing ability. We improve the speed for about 20 times compared with the traditional scanner.
Most difficult problems have been solved, including flattening curve, erasing fingerprint, and smart edge cutting, and so on. All of this can be done automatically.
We believe that technology shouldn't be minorities' privilege. New technology and algorithm can lower the cost of the hardware. So after testing image algorithm for hundreds of times, CZUR will be the first affordable book scanner for everyone.
Using CZUR scanner, you can scan the items that you want to save. They can be documents, vouchers, files, contracts, and even solid objects.
Using CZUR Cloud, you don't need to install any software or driver, and you can check it out from your laptop, iPad, or your smartphone.
Equipped with 16 million pixels camera, CZUR can make sure the clarity of every scanning and OCR function can also make digital copy editable. CZUR is also a visual projector with 1080p.
With your help, we together can change the way of scanning forever.
We need your support to drive the technology forward. We hope more people can enjoy this true smart, world-only scanner.
Please support us to make our dream come true. Thank you.